What is up, guys? This is the FNH Tutorials, and today I am back with a brand new product review. And today I'm going to be reviewing the OmniHOME Essential Oil Diffuser, and this is the model L1-F5219. Okay, and you can see it looks like this, right? You can probably tell by just a picture of which one it is. Right, and not only that, this is a wood finish, right? So it doesn't show it in the picture, but it has a wood finish to it. And let's just see what's on the packaging. Environmentally friendly, 7 changing colors. There is a timer and spray on the bottom. It says spray regulation. Okay, and you can see on the picture there's 2 buttons up front. Right, and here are just some more details about it, like what's the input output volts, right, and some more information on the bottom, and another picture, and that. Okay, so let's open it up and see what's inside. So overall the packaging is really nice. It was easy to open, right, and it's I think it's really good. This is the cup to pour water inside. Okay, we'll just put that on the side. The outlet power, and let's take off this, and here it is. Okay, let's put that on the side. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay, we got the instruction manual right there, and we got a free 6-month extended warranty. Okay, so if anything happens, you can always contact them to resolve the issue. Okay, so now let's open this up and see what exactly it is. Okay, so you can see this here. It has a wood finish. Obviously this is not real wood, this is plastic, but the design is to make it seem like it's wood. And you can see it has a pretty big large capacity. I believe it's 530 milliliters of water can fit, right? So that's pretty big, and obviously meaning it will last a lot longer. Okay, so let me put that on the side. Here the power out and the power cord goes there, right? And basically the way you use it is really simple. You just pour water in here, plug it in, and you can put, if you have some oils, right, essential oils, you can just drop a few drops in there and then turn it on, and it will automatically turn off. Okay, so you don't have to worry about having to turn it off in the middle of the night or anything. If the water finishes, it has a timer. You can set the timer, and not only that, it has a lot of changing colors as well. Okay, so I'm gonna just plug it in, right, and just to show you guys what are some of the colors. I'm not going to pour the water right now, right, but basically the top hole you see over here is where the mist is going to come from. It's basically a humidifier, right? So I had one of these before also. They were really good, you know, so I got myself another one for my other room. Right, so I definitely trust this. I didn't make a video on it last time, but here, I plugged it in, and you can see it's lighting up on the top, and it also has a ring of color over here. Okay, so it has a 2-hour, 4-hour, 8-hour, and on option, right? You can see the color is cycling, right? So basically this is what it is. You can put the water, it'll start. It's a really good product. I got it on Amazon for around $34, right? So you can get it from there. I'll leave a link in the description below, right? And you can really use this for anywhere. You can use it at home, in the bedroom, in your office, right? It makes a great gift, right? It's really elegant. It's people will love it because most people don't really have these, so people, if you give it to them, it will be something that they'll use. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and if you like the video, make sure to like it, and I will see you guys next time.